Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
So today we're making a green smoothie. And so we have our almond milk and our creamy almond butter. For our sweetener, we're going to use some maple syrup. You can use honey, agave, regular sugar, maybe no sugar if that's what you choose to do. But I also have some mandarins that I have frozen as sweetness for us as well, and some chia seeds. And we're going to use some oatmeal as a thickener and as well as for some fiber. And we have some ice. Let's start off with, and I have frozen our spinach as well. So here's our spinach. Here goes our milk. And all the ingredients will be provided for you in measurements. Okay. And next we will put our oatmeal. We're going to add some chia seeds to this. A little bit of our maple syrup. Try to come back out. Okay. Orange segments that were frozen. So here is our green smoothie. We have here our almond milk, our spinach, our oatmeal, our chia seeds, our orange segments, and a little bit of maple syrup and some ice. And we're gonna make our green smoothie. Well, here's our powerful green smoothie that had our almond butter and our almond milk and had a little bit of maple syrup and some orange segments with what else? Some oatmeal. So it's a powerful green smoothie here and some chia seeds. Let's do it. You definitely taste the almond butter. It's not how some green smoothies are just like really like overbearing. It's not like that kind of taste. I think the thing that stands out more in this green smoothie is the almond butter, the protein. I think it's for someone who's maybe not used to green smoothie. It's definitely something that's good on the palate and easier to want to say, hey, I had a green smoothie.
Here's our vitamin content.
So we have very little ingredients here, but the key thing to make this smoothie is that you have to have coffee, cold brew coffee made from before, and you have to freeze them into ice cubes, such as what I have here, and I have some of this here. So any type of ice cubes you have. Some people I know have like heart molds or whatever is to your liking and to your fitting, but you definitely want to have some cold brew ice cubes. So take your cold brew and just put it in here in your blender. Okay. And I also have some cubes here as well. So we are putting this deliciousness in here. So I have 1 cup of chocolate protein powder. Chocolate and coffee, we all know that tastes yummy together. And the last thing, a capful of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. Just a capful. We are going to blend this up. So here is our coffee smoothie. with a little hint for garnish of cinnamon with all the added benefits of cinnamon. Let's do this. Cheers. Let's taste it. Whoa, that's nice. That's real nice. It is just your frozen, delectable cafe au lait. And you don't even know protein powder sometimes has like a little weird taste to it. And it's chocolate protein powder, which is usually like on a little bit of the bitter side. Don't taste any of it. I guess thanks to the condensed milk. What do you think?
Tastes just like a coffee milkshake, to be honest. You know, sweet but not too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
And very tasty too.
I'm with what he said.
And here are a list of ingredients.
We're going to be making some strawberry smoothie. This is my whole bag of strawberries, so 2 cups. We're going to add a cup of our almond milk. Okay. And we're going to add a little protein powder in here to keep us full a little longer. So I'm not even going to do the full scoop that's in here. I'm going to do half a scoop. Okay. Now, if you don't like protein powder, you could always add almond butter, peanut butter, any nut butter to help give you that extra protein. And you could have it like this yourself, but frozen strawberries are not usually as sweet, so I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Or you can use honey or agave or nothing at all. Your choice. Well, maybe I'm going to do 3. Oops. Okay, now this one here has natural vanilla bean, so I'm going to take it out since I am the one that's drinking it. And I'm going to put my lid on. Real fast breakfast for you, or lunch, a midday snack, whatever you want to call it. But in whatever, blender you have, Vitamix, Blendtec, Oyster, whatever you got. I am going to, now you can add some ice to this if you want it to be a little bit more thicker. But my strawberries were frozen. Might add a little bit ice to it. So here we go. We are pouring our delicious smoothie. Look at that. Oh, so good. All right, so our strawberry smoothie is done. All we had in here, as you know, was some almond milk, some maple syrup, and protein powder, and just some strawberries and ice. So, cheers. And this is my resident taste tester, Mr. Gio. Okay.
It's just like strawberry ice cream, to be honest. That's how good it is.
I like it because it's not overly sweet. It's just the right taste of sweetness. Not just from the strawberry, but even like with the maple syrup, just the right amount. And it's nice and creamy and thick. And so we're enjoying it. You make yourself one as well. Let me know how it turned out for you. And if you add anything special to what I did, let me know. Comment below. We look forward to hanging out with you again. And thank you so much. We love you. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.